Welcome! In this video, we will show you how to properly clean and drain your Wellis spa. You'll need a hose, a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, and a bottle of Wellis Crystal Spa Cleaner Fluid. Pour the cleaner fluid into the water 1 day before draining and run the open jets at maximum performance for 20 to 25 minutes. The cleaner will remove any limescale and dirt from the spa and its pipework. Before draining the spa, remove the filters. This is a good time for cleaning or replacing them. You don't need a pump for draining the water. Pull out the draining valve to the limit, remove the cap and attach the hose. Push back the valve halfway, then rotate and secure it in this position. This will start the flow of water. We recommend rinsing the tub while it drains. When the tub is empty, remove the hose and close the valve. Use a wet and dry vacuum to clean up any remaining water from the spa and the jet nozzles. Draining is complete. The tub is clean and empty, ready to be filled, which will be discussed in our next video. See you there.